out. Now, I am likely going to lower our high on Thursday to around 60, just depending on the precipitation. Right now, we do see, again, some rain, some light to moderate rain, perhaps some snow that is off to our northeast. Right now, I'm not getting any major reports of this hitting the surface, so we need to first kind of saturate the atmosphere and then allow some of these showers to hit their way closer to the surface, which probably won't even happen until this afternoon or even into the evening hours. We have a cold front that's going to be passing its way from north to south. Rain showers will start to increase as we go throughout the evening hours tonight. Heading into your Thursday, thankfully this frontal boundary, rather than becoming more stationary like what models were showing yesterday, it's actually going to shift a little bit. Start to see some drier conditions as we go into your Thursday afternoon and into your Thursday evening, trending drier into your Friday as well, which is wonderful news. Rain showers again going to be pretty significant. A lot of falling precipitation at this moment. It is still relatively light. Once this cold front starts to push its way in from north to south, we will start to see rain showers increase as we go into the afternoon and into the evening. So it actually looks like this system is speeding up just a little bit from what models were first showing yesterday. We'll likely have more rain moving into the area late tonight and into the early hours of your Thursday. A few lingering showers into the afternoon tomorrow, but I'm hopeful, folks. Remember yesterday I was like, oh, we're not going to be able to have soccer practice tomorrow night. I'm hopeful now. Maybe the field might be a little wet, but it does look like if you do have any outdoor plans Thursday night, things should be improving at this moment. On the back side of this system, we start to see a little bit of a drier and warmer pattern set up as we go into the weekend, not before leaving behind an inch of rain. So some nice moisture is going to be moving on in. Then we go into the early part of next week. So Saturday, Sunday, still going to be dry, highs in the upper 60s. Amen. It's going to be beautiful. A wonderful start to your Wednesday. As you head outside, we're going to continue to see temperatures today back into the 50s. So a little bit of a milder day in comparison to yesterday. We're dry at the moment, but we do have rain showers that'll start to increase as we go forward throughout the rest of the evening and into the early hours of your Thursday. Thursday is going to be a wetter start to the day, but we should start to see some drier conditions into your Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. Friday and into the weekend looks wonderful. We don't have a whole lot of precipitation happening at this moment, but I do expect to see some more rain moving into the region as we go throughout the rest of the afternoon and into the evening. This is all a part of a cold front that's going to be sliding in from north to south. And thankfully, folks, unlike yesterday where it showed rain basically all day, I do expect to see some drier conditions as we head into your Thursday evening and as we go into your Friday. So that is some good news for maybe any outdoor plans you may have tomorrow night. We look ahead to your 7-day forecast. The weekend looks amazing. Highs back into the middle to upper 60s with another opportunity for some rain moving into the region early next week. We'll have much more coming up with a look at your extended forecast. For now, like we're going to see most of this precipitation until later on this afternoon and as we go into the evening. So a cold front's going to be pushing in from north to south. Rain showers will pick up late tonight and into the early hours of your Thursday. Tomorrow, moderate to heavy rain to start off the day, but some good news about your forecast for your Thursday is it looks like this system's going to be quickly kind of pushing its way to the south. So your Thursday night is not looking as wet as what models were once showing. So that is some wonderful news to look forward to, but we still have the chance of seeing some pretty substantial rain, anywhere between a half of an inch to over an inch. Beautiful moisture moving into the region. We go into the weekend. We should be fairly dry both Saturday and Sunday. Monday into Tuesday, we'll start to see our next system sliding in yet, but it is going to start to pick up as the day moves forward. So by the afternoon and going into the evening, we are expecting to see more of that widespread rain move into the region. Moderate to heavy rain will take over into the early hours of your Thursday, but really some great news, folks. If you were supposed to have some outdoor plans tomorrow night, it is trending much drier. This system's not becoming quite as stationary as what models were showing yesterday, but I still expect to see some pretty solid precipitation from this cluster of showers making their way into the region. In fact, some areas have the potential of seeing about a half of an inch to over an inch of rain expected. We look ahead into the early part of next week. We should be fairly dry into your Saturday and Sunday. The weekend looks amazing. Rain chances will start to increase as we go into your Monday and as we go into your Tuesday. So you'll want to keep those umbrellas on standby. As of right now, Looks like it's all going to be in the form of rain, but considering this morning you look at satellite and radar and we do have some light precipitation that is possible primarily across parts of the plateau. Mainly going to be in the form of some sprinkle activity. So I don't foresee much in the form of precipitation for the start of the day. We go into the afternoon and into the evening, and here comes more rain. So this rain is really going to be ramping up late tonight into the overnight hours and then carrying on as we go into your Thursday. So the bulk of the moisture is going to be when we're sleeping. So you'll have to be prepared for wet roads tomorrow. We go throughout the start of your day on your Thursday and probably through about 10, 11, 12 o'clock, we're going to start to see these showers start to taper off from north to south, and we should start to see some drying conditions throughout the rest of your Thursday evening, which is a big change from what we had in place yesterday. Yes, good portion of the day. So this is certainly kind of a nice viewpoint to see some drier weather going into your Thursday night. If you have any sports practices, we're supposed to have soccer practice, so we'll take some of those drier conditions as well.